So here's my sound for my Airbnb collaboration. Here it goes. You see this nice Airbnb? Looks so clean and beautiful. Keep it that way. Act like you got some home training. Don't be coming here smoking your cigarettes, making the smell all fumed up in this beautiful Airbnb, wiping your nasty, dirty old makeup all on these beautiful white towels. Keep your corn chip toes off this nice clean couch. And if your dog's gonna be hairy, leaving hair everywhere, clean up after him. And make sure you don't leave any old beer cans on the pool.